Well, she was born in the morning, late October, San Antonio. Now she's every girl I've ever known. Well, she was born in the morning, late October, San Antonio. Now she's every girl I've ever known. And she don't talk about religion, she talks about the Stones. Oh, she's every girl I've ever known. And her tongue is like the devil when she tries to concentrate. Says she don't want marriage, but she still believes in fate. And she stands her ground defiantly and cries when she's alone. No, she's every girl I've ever known. Now her voice, it is a melody, sings just like a bird. Oh, she's every song I've ever heard. And her heartbeat is a rhythm that commands her every word. Oh, she's every song I've ever heard. She reflects the world in happiness and echoes all the pain, and smiles the world as sunrise and cries to make it rain. And she hides the truth discreetly, but you'd have to take her word. Oh, she's every song I've ever heard. Well, she's a sober Sunday kitchen conversation with my dad. Oh, she's every friend I've ever had, who never failed to cut a trail whenever times were bad. Oh, she's every friend I've ever had. She's a bloody good time buddy in a corner of the bar, but she'd fight the devil for you just for being who you are. And she's the last to cast a stone, although she'd love to leave you mad. Oh, she's every friend I've ever had. Well, she was born in the morning, late October.
I'm a hard-working man. I wear a steel hard hat. I can ride rope, a hammer and paint, do things with my hands that most men can't. I can't get ahead no matter how hard I try. I'm getting really good at barely getting by. Got everything I own by the sweat of my brow. From my four-wheel drive to my cowboy boots, I owe it all to my blue-collar roots. Feel like I'm working overtime on a runaway train. I got to bust loose from this ball and chain. I'm a hard-working man. I got it all on the line for a piece of the promised land. And I'm burning my candle at both ends. About the only way to keep the fire going is to outrun the wind. come Friday night, I like to party hard. I carry on with the Cadillac cutie, spend my whole week's pay on some weekend beauty. Come Monday morning, I'm the first to arrive. I ain't nothing but business, y'all, from 9 to 5. I'm a hard working man. I got it all on the line for a piece of the promised land. And I'm burning my candle at both ends. About the only way to keep the fire going is to outrun the wind. I can't wait to get up in the morning and do it all.
They got a vintage Victrola in 1951, full of my favorite records that I grew up on. They got old Hank and Lefty, and there's B-24. Set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor. Set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor. I'm gonna spend the night like every night before, playing E.T. and I'll play him some more. I gotta have a shot of them old troubadours. Yeah, set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor. Set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor. All my neon neighbors, they like what I play, 'cause they've heard it every night since you walked away. Every day they replay, so B-24, 'cause every night I run a needle through Walking the Floor. Every night I run a needle through Walking the Floor. I'm gonna spend the night like every night before, playing E.T. I'm gonna play him some more. I gotta have a shot of them old troubadours. Set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor. Set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor. I said, set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor. Set 'em up, Joe, and play Walking the Floor.
So put on the Motor-Covers and them Terracotta rings you like. We can burn up our burdens, send them up in smoke tonight. Oh, I might let you down, I try now with all my might, but I'll never let you go, sure as the moon comes out at night. Oh, them storms are rolling in, they grow stronger in my mind. Rain, clouds, and judgment, they've been making me go blind. So forgive me all my faults, forgive me all my strife, but I'll love you in the morning and I'll love you through the night. Oh, love you through the night. Oh, that pale horse is running, getting closer every day. That old hooded rider won't take my life away, but I still feel alive, my dear, no matter what they say. So tonight it's me and you, gonna dance the night